Tired of juggling crypto and traditional finances? Today, we're unlocking the secret to seamlessly linking your Binance Card with your Revolut account. Get ready to streamline your crypto spending. Let's begin. First, open your Revolut app on your phone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the Cards tab, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Next, you'll need to click on the Add Card button. It's commonly found with a plus symbol. You will then be prompted to enter your Binance Card details. Start by entering your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the CVC security code located on the back of your Binance Card. Carefully check your details to prevent errors. After entering your information, the app may ask for authorization, like a code sent to your phone. Follow the instructions and verify your Binance Card. Once verification is complete, your Binance Card will be added to your Revolut account. You should see it listed under your cards, ready for use. You can now use your Binance funds for purchases, transfers, and more, all through your Revolut app. Congratulations! Link your Binance Card to Revolut and enjoy now. It is easier than ever.